Ready to conquer your Target shopping list without breaking the bank? I'm here to show you how to use Klarna in-store. First, make sure you've downloaded the Klarna app and created an account. It's free and easy to set up. Open the app and tap on the In-Store tab. This will take you to where you can generate a digital card. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option to create a digital card to use at Target. Tap on Create a Card. Klarna will ask you the amount you want to spend. Keep in mind the amount you put on the card is the amount you are approved to spend. Once the card is created, you'll see all the card details like the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Treat this like a regular credit card number and keep it secure. Now for the fun part, shopping. Fill your cart with all the Target goodies you desire. Head to the checkout counter when you're done. When it's time to pay, tell the cashier you'll be using a credit card. Enter the card details from your digital Klarna card into the card reader. Double check to make sure all the numbers are correct and push enter. Complete the transaction as you normally would with a credit card. Once the transaction is complete, Klarna will automatically split your purchase into 4 interest-free installments or whatever payment plan you chose. It's that simple. Now you can enjoy your Target haul while managing your budget with Klarna's flexible payment options. Be sure to check the Klarna app for your payment schedule. Happy shopping!